Hey everyone, today we're going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 47mm Bluetooth variant silver color, which I just got from the Samsung India website. There were some amazing offers going on and I just had to pick up one. And with that, I've also bought the Samsung Hybrid Eco Leather Band for this watch, which is the medium large size. Because I thought that maybe this brown eco leather band will look really cool with this silver colored watch. But I want to know from you what you feel would be the best color to go with this watch. So without further delay, let's go ahead and unbox this watch and get a first impression. Whoa, and that looks really cool, doesn't it? Here's the Samsung Galaxy Watch 47mm Bluetooth version. Looks really cool. Fantastic. You see, these watch straps are now easily removable, and they have, of course, the white band with the silver watch. And let's see what else comes inside the box. There's of course the paperwork, which I will never read. And we have of course the charging cable. Let's have a look. Yeah, so this is the charging puck that comes with the watch, USB-C. So you can place your watch. Just keep this out of the way. Watch onto this and charge it. Yep, perfect. So on the initial setup, it asks you the language, but it doesn't go further than this, because you need to set it up by pairing it with your Samsung device, with your Samsung phone. So I'm just gonna pair it up with my Samsung phone, and meanwhile I'm going to also unbox the Hybrid Eco Leather Band and install it on this watch and show you how it looks. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. I have set up the watch, just a basic setup of course, and here is how it looks with the brown strap, and I think it looks really classy. This silver stainless steel color with the brown strap, I feel it looks really classy, and I just now wear it on my wrist, and let's see how it looks. So let me know your thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 47mm unboxing and first impressions. I think the watch looks really nice, and I like big watches, on my wrist, so this really suits me well. Of course, I just love this rotating bezel. It's a welcome return. It was not there in the past. It was just a touch capacitive bezel, but now they've brought it back, and I'm really happy and glad that it's back, and it feels really nice too. So that was my unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 47mm and the Hybrid Eco Leather Band. Let me know what you think of this video, and I will be doing an in-depth video of this watch after using it for some time. So stay tuned for that. This is Sunny signing off for now. Take care, stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.